Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. Today gonna be a little bit different. This is something that I have not made before. It is going to be grilled chicken with avocado salsa. But I'm not gonna grill it, I'm gonna cook it on Leroy. But I'm gonna follow these instructions. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and see how this turns out. So y'all cook it with me. Okay, so it says I need to make the marinade first and set it aside. So it said 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. I did 4 because I did 5 because we like garlic, right?
We love garlic.
So it says in a large bowl, I need to whisk all the ingredients for the marinade and set it inside. So we have the garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in this bowl. Try to make some room real quick because okay. There we go. We're gonna do the garlic. Then it says I need to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I have that here. We're gonna dump that right in this bowl. And then 1/4 cup of cilantro. I have that here. I'm gonna put that in the bowl too. This is making the marinade. That's what it says. And then 1 juice from 1 lime. Okay, so I got my lime right here. So I'm gonna cut it and just squeeze it a little bit. All right, so we're gonna do that 1 juice, 1 lime juice. Get that in there. Real quick, will you looking at Joy and give me those measuring cups, those little measuring spoons? Y'all know I'm not always prepared all the time. This is everyday life. Okay, a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. So we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin in this marinade too. There's a little bit in here. I'm just gonna pour that in there. I think that's enough. We'll get just a tad bit more. I don't want it too much. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And then we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. See if I can get that out of here. I need to buy some more. Get a little bit more. There we go. Okay. Then we are going to do 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. And what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna mix it all together, and this is what it looks like. I guess if you can see that. Just mix it together. And this is your marinade.
Marinade.
Okay, so that's mixed together really good. And I'm gonna move some of the stuff out of the way and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I have about 4 avocados, and it says to dice up your avocados to make the avocado salsa. So I'm just gonna dice this up and place it in a bowl and put it in the refrigerator. until I'm ready for it. And I'm gonna get these diced up and place these in a bowl and in the fridge. And then we'll move on to the next part. All right, y'all. So now it says, I have 4 chicken breasts. So I need to slice it in half or horizontally, like to make it kind of even to put in my marinade bowl. So I guess I'm gonna do this right here. And we're gonna, I don't know if that's right. Yeah, we're gonna try it.
Hey, one thing that will happen, we'll eat it.
I know, I don't know if that's correct or not. Oh wait, maybe it was talking about like this. But it didn't say split it. It don't say split it. Lord have mercy. Yeah, maybe that's right. That's all right. We're gonna do it just like this.
You honestly told them this is your first time, so y'all can see.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna do it like that. That way, when it cooks. Chicken on my hand. Okay, so since I'm touching this chicken, we're gonna go ahead and place it in the marinade bowl and just go just like that. It says to place it in the bowl.
How long do you let it marinate?
Use right away.
Oh, really?
If needed. Will you place that in the sink for me, my love? Yeah, just say use right away. Or if you want to let it sit longer, then put it in there for about 12 hours. But we're gonna go ahead and get this marinated real good. Should put some gloves on. See how that's doing? I don't know if y'all can see that. But it's being marinated. It smells good.
I can't smell it. I'm too far away.
It smells good. And the chicken ain't even cooking yet.
Get some chicken, baby.
Yeah.
Say the line, baby.
Get some chicken, baby.
Get some chicken, baby.
Yeah, that's from one of my favorite movies, House Party. You don't have to do that. Sorry, y'all. I accidentally turned on the dishwasher. Okay, so I think that's marinated good. I got all that coated real good. You can see the cilantro on here with the garlic and the seasoning. I think y'all can see that.
Yeah, if you hold it up. Yeah, hey, keep your other hand out of the way, they can see it.
See? That's what it looked like. Okay, so I'm gonna let Leroy heat up a little bit more, and then we're gonna get this chicken in the fire. And I'm gonna wash my hands, cause yeah, I'll be back. All right, y'all. Leroy good and hot. I tell y'all, this smells good. My daughter even said it smells good. It sure does. We're gonna marinate this chicken. We're gonna fry this chicken until it is done. No more pink. And then, while that is cooking, okay, I have it at about 6. So, it says, let it cook until the outside is charred. And then I can top it with the avocado salsa. It's so easy. But in the meantime, while that is cooking, I need to make the salsa in a bowl and then cover it in a plastic wrap. Okay. So we'll get that done real quick. Okay, so I have my avocados here. Now I want to cut up tomato. I need a little knife over there, please. Yeah, that's cool. Perfect. Thank you. So I'm gonna cut up this tomato. Just get that diced. Place them here with the avocados. Man, the chicken smells good. Y'all, it is Monday, and y'all know I just got off from work. We both did.
Nice and nice.
Tomato. I'm making the avocado salsa because it says while it's cooking I need to be making the salsa. Okay. So I'm going to place the tomatoes in here with the avocado. And then I'm going to get rinse this off real quick and I'll be back.
And while she does that, make sure you subscribe and like the video.
Thank you, baby. Okay, so since I have my tomato cut up in the avocado, now I'm going to cut up a onion, a small onion. Probably won't use this whole onion because it says 1/4 of a cup, but y'all know I always do more, so that's just me. Okay, so we're gonna cut this up. Slice and dice. Now it says to use a red onion, but I don't have a red onion, so I'm just gonna have to go with my regular yellow onion. But with the red onion, you know, it gives you that color and makes it, you know, the salsa prettier. But ooh, it's burning my eyes. Good gracious alive. Okay. Oh, that's burning. I'm about to fry. So put that onion in there, and I'm gonna get these chicken breasts a lift. Good.
Oh, really good. Smells good too.
Okay. I think I'm gonna need a bigger bowl for my avocado salsa. And I'm using this whole little onion too, I think. Whew. Boy, that burns. No, I need a bigger one. Yeah, that silver, well, is it bigger? Let me see, it might be. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, we're gonna try that. I think it is a little bit bigger. It is. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Can y'all see that?
Yes, you sure can.
Okay, so we're gonna add that onion in there. And then it says a jalapeno. That's optional. I'm not gonna do that because I have a little one. Add the cilantro to this as well. Salt, pepper, and some more lime juice. I say some more because I had already added some lime juice to my avocado because that kind of keeps it from turning brown. Okay. Squeeze that real good. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I need a spoon, my daughter. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to this, maybe about that much. Huh? Give me one of those brown ones. And pepper. Add some salt and pepper to it. Yep, that'll work. And just stir it all together. And this is your avocado salsa. Looks good too. And you want to place this in the refrigerator. I'm going to cover it and place it in the fridge until I'm ready for it. Can you see it? Can y'all see that? I hope that y'all can see that. It looks really good. It smells good. Okay. And I will be back. Okay. So the chicken is cooking. It's looking really nice. Y'all can see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this finish cooking, and then I'm gonna get the other pieces of chicken on and let that cook, and then I'll return. All right, y'all, so the chicken is done and it smells amazing. So now what I want to do is add the avocado salsa on top, and all you do is just place it on top. That's what it says. Just place that right on that chicken. That looks so good. It smells so good. Very fragrant. That sauce right on here. Okay. And then it's not gonna hurt to add a little bit more lime juice on top of that. Just add a little bit more. All right. I think that looks good, don't you? All right. Now, until, you know what? I was gonna say until next time, but we're gonna do a taste test first. So let's do that real quick. Excuse me. What piece we gonna try here? Let's do this little piece right here. Take the little piece of chicken. I want the the avocado, all that with it. And we are going to bend down. Can you see me, girl?
Yep.
Excuse I'm sweaty, it's hot. Like I said, I just got off. But we're gonna taste this real quick. My first time making this. It's good, girl. Yeah. I'm gonna finish making this rice and we're gonna eat. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and share. And until next time, peace.